dysfunctional vet here. I am in the process of hanging a lamp, an LED powered lamp actually. Alright, here we go. Now, let's zoom in on this. See my hook up here? I've got another one right there. And these hooks need to be at the same depth of the wood so that I will have the same, so I'll have a level hanging light. So how are we going to do that? Well, the back side of your handy dandy caliper is a probe, and you can push this thing out. Let me zoom out. There we go. You can zoom out like so, and it gets very long. And as you come in, we're going to measure how deep that thing is in. And let's say this is my depth right here that I want. I put this into place. I push down until I hit. Then I read on the caliper that I am 1 and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8 inch deep. And that's what I'm doing on this, is I'm taking this bottom piece here. I'm taking this bottom piece here. Here's my hook in the wood above. Let's see if I can do it like this. And I'm pushing down until that hits. When it hits, then I'm reading my depth here to make sure that my hooks are equally sunk. And I'll show you the light in just a moment. Alright, my hooks are the correct distance. And what I'll do now is I'll verify it with a level. I take the chain. Well, you can't see it, but I'm taking the chain, I'm holding it down against this. If I can get a hold of the chain, I am. There. And I'm taking the chain, I'm holding against this. And it is on the money. So I have my light level. I've got my light hung. I verify level. There it is, right on the bubble. Alright, now this lamp, you see the cord coming down? It's attached to a 6-volt. It's attached to a 6-volt solar panel. And this goes outside, and this will guarantee that if I'm ever in here and the lights go off, because they do frequently go off out here. So what I do is I have myself an emergency backup light. Now this is the very smallest building they make. I'm going to have to wire some electric lights into it. That's no big deal. That's an easy fix. But the thing is, if in the event the power ever goes off, voila, I have light. And there's 2 settings on this, and then an off. And as you can see, we're set up. I'm not sure exactly how long the light runs. I didn't buy it as a work light, reading light, or anything like that. I got it as a light so that if the power goes off and I'm out here at night, I can get everything put away and secured and not have to worry about coming back in the morning having left a piece of power equipment turned on to run all night. This is the solar light I was telling you about. It's in the box, but they're going fast, so get them while they're hot. Yep, they're hot. Get them quick.